Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra, and you know what? Valentine's Day is soon, like super soon, like now, nearly now. So that's why we are going to do something nice today. I will show you a quick peek of what it will be. So come on, let's get started. This is what we are going to create today. If you like it, remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and don't forget about the bell. Come on, let's use our creative hands. For this project we are going to need artificial flowers and leaves, glue gun, ribbon, pliers, knife, scissors, metal hook, and floristic foam for artificial flowers. It's brown or grey like mine. I went wild with those flowers, but I was trying to keep in mind that I wanted this project to be on a budget. I've ordered those foliages from AliExpress for a fraction of eBay costs. But don't worry, we won't use all of those roses, as they are the most expensive. Let's start with thinning this foam. I strongly recommend using a bread knife for this, as it's long enough. We will only use a half of the foam. Flip the foam so the flat side of it will touch the wall when it will hanging. Make an imprint in it and then trace it with a knife. Cut the foam pretty deep. Use loads of glue because otherwise, well, you will see in the end. Wait until it will dry out, flip it and start to arrange flowers. Start with your featured flowers in the middle and then add the rest. Now it's time for white lavender. I've paid £1.40 for it with delivery costs, super inexpensive. The next is Silk Senecio Senurera, if I'm pronouncing it properly. I've paid 85p for a single stem with delivery costs, so it's bargain. Don't be afraid to reposition anything. We are having here eucalyptus leaves. I've paid £2.91 for 5 pieces with delivery costs. Remember to check for empty spaces that you will need to fill. Add more roses if you feel so. I paid £4.25 for only one bouquet with delivery costs at eBay, which is pretty expensive in my opinion. Next, I've added small leaves that were described also as eucalyptus. Bought them for £1.43 with delivery costs. Last but not least, willow bouquet. Paid for it £2 with delivery costs. Don't throw out the offcuts, you will need them to fill out holes. Remember what I've told you about adding tons of glue? Yeah, well, I've added not enough, but it can be easily fixed. Cut the foam deeper. Add glue inside. Push the hoop inside and hold it for a few seconds. Then add a massive amount of glue. I've used for 2 tubes. Let it dry out and fixed. I'll fix the bow if you want. I've decided to make a love sign. You can buy it online, but as I said previously, I want this to be on a budget, so I will make the ribbon and the sign by myself. I've made a mirror image of love sign and printed it out on a thick paper, then turn it and trace it with a pencil at difficult moments. Now it's time for paint. I've used a dusty rose acrylic paint. I love this color. Start from the tricky parts, and after that, fill out the rest. Let it dry. Mark and cut out, let's say, a ribbon from the thick paper. Again, you can simply just buy a fabric ribbon for it. Glue the sign to the ribbon. Stick the ribbon to the red with glue gun from both sides. That's it. I think it looks posh. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave the thumbs up and please subscribe. It's important. Share this video with your friends and let me know in the comments if you made this red. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Bye. I think it looks good. With couple modification, it can be used as an Easter egg, table decoration, or even a wedding decor. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you and see you next one. Bye! Happy Valentine's Day!